Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a new message inside the portfolio in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Asana app. Then it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into portfolios and select the portfolio that we want to add a new message to. From here, you have to tap on the name of the portfolio and then tap on messages. And here in the bottom right corner, there appears a little button, new message. We can tap on this, and at the top, we can select where do we want to send this message to. But obviously it's going to be set portfolio for videos, like the portfolio that we are sending the message to. Then we can add the subject, and here we can start writing the message. We can mention people and add images, files to it, everything. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.